Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the clip and choosing the correct aspect ratio so framing won't shift later. Once done, trim to the moment where the eyes are most expressive, then pinch to zoom and position the eyes in the frame. Make sure to enable snapping and lock clips you won't move. That prevents accidental shifts. You're preparing the canvas. Accurate framing here saves time later when you add close-up enhancements, so take a few seconds to get it precise. Next, split the clip at the start and end of the eye movement and duplicate that segment so your original stays intact. Use keyframes to track small head movements, add subtle zoom or pan so the eyes stay centered. This keeps edits natural. Then tweak exposure, contrast, and saturation to make catch lights pop, and apply a slight sharpen to define lashes and iris texture. Once you've enhanced details, compare with the original to ensure you haven't overcooked the look. To finish, add a subtle vignette or a localized blur on the background to draw attention to the eyes and feather the mask so edges blend. Play the full clip to check motion, color continuity, and any jitter from keyframes. Make micro adjustments as needed. Export with appropriate resolution and bitrate for your destination. If you see lag or artifacts during editing or export, clear Inshot's cache, close background apps, or export at a lower resolution. Then re-attempt a full resolution render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.